Online chat support is a digital lifeline for customers, providing them with instant access to assistance. Companies use chat to answer questions and provide solutions efficiently. They solve problems in real time, ensuring that customers receive the help they need quickly and effectively. Think of it as a digital conversation, where customers can type their concerns and get immediate responses. Customers type their questions, and a chat support agent responds promptly, providing the necessary information or assistance. It's like texting, but specifically designed for customer service. Chat support is crucial because it provides immediate help. Customers don't have to wait on hold, they get answers fast, which significantly enhances their satisfaction and experience. Companies are always in need of skilled chat support agents to handle customer inquiries. These agents are the voice of the company online, representing the brand and its values. They help build trust and loyalty with customers, ensuring a positive relationship and long-term satisfaction. Online chat support jobs offer incredible flexibility. People can work from anywhere, whether it's the comfort of their home, a bustling cafe, or even a serene park. All they need is a reliable computer and a stable internet connection to get started. This opportunity appeals to a wide range of job seekers, from recent graduates to seasoned professionals. Parents can easily manage their work while keeping an eye on their children at home. Students can conveniently work between their classes, making it an ideal part-time job. People with disabilities find more accessible job options, allowing them to work comfortably. It's a job that fits various lifestyles. Flexibility means freedom to work when you want and where you want. You can take breaks whenever you need them, ensuring you stay refreshed and productive. This work-life balance is highly desirable in today's fast-paced world, making it a sought-after job. Many companies offer part-time options, catering to those who need flexible hours. This is perfect for earning extra income, or for those who can't commit to a full-time schedule but still want to work. Excellent written communication is key. Chat agents must write clearly and concisely. They need to convey information effectively through text. Patience is crucial. Customers may be frustrated. Chat agents must remain calm and helpful. They need to de-escalate situations with words. Problem-solving skills are essential. Chat agents need to identify issues. Then they find solutions quickly and effectively. Empathy is important. Customers want to feel heard. Chat agents need to understand their concerns and respond with compassion. Section 4. Navigating the job search. Many websites list online chat support jobs. Indeed, LinkedIn and Upwork are popular options. These sites have thousands of opportunities. Use specific keywords in your search like remote chat support, work from home customer service, or online chat agent. This narrows down your results. Research companies before applying. Look for companies with good reputations. Check out employee reviews on sites like Glassdoor. Tailor your resume and cover letter. Highlight your relevant skills. Show the company why you're the perfect fit for their team. Section 5. Standing out from the crowd. Highlight your communication skills. Provide examples of your writing. Showcase your ability to convey information clearly and concisely. Emphasize your customer service experience. If you've worked with customers before, mention it. Talk about your ability to handle difficult situations. Demonstrate your technical skills. Are you familiar with different chat software? Do you have experience with CRM systems? Let them know. Show enthusiasm and passion. Express your interest in the company and the role. Let them know you're eager to learn and grow. Section 6. Salary and growth in online chat support. Salaries vary depending on experience and location, with significant differences across regions. Entry-level positions usually start around $15 to $20 per hour, providing a solid foundation for newcomers. Experienced agents can earn more, often seeing their wages increase significantly with time and expertise. Many companies offer benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans, enhancing job satisfaction. These benefits add value to the overall compensation package, making the roles more attractive. Growth opportunities exist in this field, allowing for career advancement. Chat agents can become team leaders, taking on more responsibilities. They can move into management or training roles, guiding new recruits. Some even transition to other departments, exploring diverse career paths. Online chat support is a growing field with increasing opportunities. As more companies move online, the demand for chat agents will continue to rise, ensuring a steady stream of job openings.